GM certified, quiet ride, plenty of passenger room, LT series, great gas mileage, only 24,000 miles, only one owner. Visit www.realdeal.com/47view to view a free price check. New car test drive Civic. Blends a smooth ride with responsive handling, a quiet interior, effective crash performance and noteworthy build quality. Some manufacturers cut corners to save money, but Chevrolet didn't try to shave off a single penny when building this excellent Malibu. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2009 Malibu 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. Stop in or call today.